Okra water, the increasingly popular concoction made by soaking okra pods in water, has garnered significant attention, touted as a natural elixir for everything from improved digestion to radiant skin. But is the buzz warranted, or is this just another fleeting health trend? For experts familiar with the nuances of nutrition and biochemistry, it's crucial to dissect the claims and understand the potential mechanisms at play. The primary reason for the hype stems from okra's nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins A, C, K, and B vitamins, minerals, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and fiber, okra is undoubtedly a healthy vegetable. Soaking it in water allows some of these nutrients to leach out, potentially making them more readily available for absorption. The claim breakdown: digestion. Okra's high fiber content is well established as beneficial for digestive health. The mucilage. The slimy substance released when soaked is believed to act as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. However, drinking okra water likely provides a lower concentration of fiber compared to consuming the vegetable itself. Blood sugar control. Some proponents claim okra water can help regulate blood sugar levels. Preliminary research suggests certain compounds in okra may improve insulin sensitivity. However, robust clinical trials are needed to confirm this effect and determine the optimal dosage via okra water. Skin health. Okra's antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, are linked to collagen production and protection against free radical damage. Whether the concentration in okra water is sufficient to exert a significant impact on skin health requires further investigation. Fertility. Anecdotal evidence suggests okra water can boost fertility in both men and women. While okra does contain nutrients important for reproductive health like folate, there's no scientific evidence directly linking okra water to improved fertility outcomes. The expert perspective. While okra water may offer some health benefits due to its nutrient content, it's essential to approach the claims with a critical eye. Over-reliance on anecdotal evidence and a lack of rigorous scientific studies necessitate caution. Further research is required to quantify the actual nutrient content of okra water prepared using different methods. Determine the bioavailability of these nutrients. Conduct controlled clinical trials to assess the effects of okra water on specific health conditions. In conclusion, okra water is not a magical cure-all. It's a potentially hydrating and nutrient-rich beverage that may offer some benefits, but it should be viewed as a complement to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for conventional medical treatments. As experts, we must emphasize the importance of evidence-based decision-making and encourage further scientific investigation to fully understand the potential of this intriguing beverage. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.